Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change iCloud location on iPhone. Alright, first up, go ahead and open up the Settings app. And then once you're in here, tap on your iCloud account. And then once done, go ahead over to Media and Purchases. Tap on it. Then go ahead and tap on View Account, just like so. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to Country or Region. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and browse through the alphabetical list and select your new country or region. Okay, for example, this one. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, just go ahead and tap on Continue and follow simple prompts. Okay, and then after that, you will need to enter a valid payment method and billing address native to that country. Okay, so go ahead and tap on Manage Payments right here at the very top, and then enter a billing address native to that new country. Okay, as you can see here, I'm from the Philippines, so I have GCash and Shopee Pay. Yours may be different right here. Now, if you got some errors upon changing your specific address or location, just make sure that you spend your remaining balance. Your Apple account store balance must be exactly 0. Okay, if you do have any subscriptions that has automated renewals like iCloud Plus, Apple Music, or Apple TV, go ahead and cancel it. Okay, and if you are part of a family sharing group, you must leave it before switching regions. And that is it. That's how simple it is to change iCloud location on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.